Today maybe is the low point for Tesla. Today I will tell you the insight from the chart. And can we buy right now? I will also tell you what is the price to look at. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So now we look at Tesla. The last video I also mentioned is not yet the point to buy Tesla. I will teach you one method which is free without my indicator, okay, to tell you when is the downward trend finish, okay? The traditional method is using this trend line, which is the high point linked with the high point. And you can see this is a downward trend, right? So the traditional method is when they break through this price, this line, to confirm this is finished of the downward trend, they will start the upward trend. Okay, this is a traditional method, but I will tell you this is quite far away from right now. You see, this is quite traditional, but it's quite late. Okay, so basically you lost the profit. You want to buy around here. Okay, or you want to buy even lower. So today I will give you some other method with my exclusive indicator to tell you where the institution is buying. Okay, so if you want to have this indicator, you can put the enter the link in the description. You can subscribe it. So now we look at my indicator. Okay, in my last video, I mentioned we using this strategy called YM chip entry. Okay, this one to tell you the institution buying, institution buying, institution buying. But each time it tell you only the relative low point, and this big green range to tell you, hey, if you, let's say you buy here, they go up again, but they still come down. Why? Because the blue is still going downward. And then right now, look at our case. Look at the blue. The blue is still downward. Okay, number one. Number two is we can buy some position and we catch the rebounds first. If they go above and the blue still downward, then you would stop gain with the red line. Okay, strategy. This is one way. Another way is if the blue line change the direction. Let's say you buy here, right? And if they change the direction, you just hold it because you buy here. You can hold it with the blue line strategy, which is you buy with the blue, you sell with the blue, which is here. Okay. Previously, we sell our stock here and we buy here and we buy around here also. Okay, so I tell you exactly how to do with the YM chip entry. This indicator doesn't flash very often. Okay, so now we have the green bar here. We have free strategy with this. So we follow right now the tallest green bar here. Okay, this one is more ambitious buying, which is more risky, but you buy at the lower point. Okay, so now we look at the green, the highest green. Once they go above it, they close above it. I don't mean the highest point, I mean they close above it. This green bar, which is at the highest point of this one, is 349.37. Look at here. Look at these higher points. I'm pointing to here because it's the highest green candle. 349.37. Okay, so right now is not yet closed the candle yet. So far up by 4.7%. But so you can look at the last hour of the trading hour. Okay, if they still close below, close above this highest point, this is a very good entry point here. Okay, so I repeat, this price is 349.37. Okay, if they close above it today, this is a good point to buy. Okay, so far we still think this is a rebound. We still think this is a rebound. So we use the rebound strategy. For those people who have my indicator, you can track it more fast. So you can use the leverage, or you can use the ETF, like as the Tesla 3x blue ETF. Okay, for the one who doesn't have my indicator, don't use any leverage. Okay, because it's still a rebound, right? So if you don't react quick, let's say you have my indicator, you can use the red line because they just go above the red as a stop gain price. So how do you do it? You buy here, you buy when they go above the red, You sell if, okay, they drop below the red. This is a strategy. For those who have my indicator, you can use leverage over margin. By the way, this is not any financial advice. This is just for the education. I just tell you, you can only do leverage when you have some kind of strategy or indicator. Okay, this is my message. Okay, so I don't recommend you to do any trade without any of my indicator. Let's say this way. So another thing, look at the fund movement. YM big buy, is it strong yet? Not yet strong. YM cheaper, is it strong yet? Not yet strong. But remember, this indicator, this one, they fresh at the low point. They fresh at the low point. So it's different from these two. Although the fund is not strong, let's say this one. Let's say this one. When they go above that, when the price go above this price, this candle, the higher screen candle, the YM big buy go above zero. And then you can see a big red candle. And then they have a big, what, bull run. You can make a big profit. So far, I don't see it this moment because the institution fund is not strong enough. It's not above the average. Number one. Number two, the YM big buy, which is checking the big volume trade, is not so strong. It's still under zero. So this one, so far we will see, I would think this one is just a rebound this moment. It's just a rebound this month. Kind of like this one, maybe. Kind of like this one. But you can still catch some kind of profit. Okay? You can still catch some kind of profit. For those who has the stock and you did not follow my channel before, maybe you have some stock you want to cash out or you buy here, right? You buy here, you want to cash out or reduce your stock. You can also use the red as a stop gain price. Now you don't stop gain because they just start to raise, right? So once they go up, they go up and then they drop below the red line later, then this is your sell signal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Remember, right now, although they go above, because the candle is not yet closed, so we are not yet confirm this one really go above this candle or not. And this candle is 11th of February, 11th of February. So here, so you can see it's not yet confirmed. It's so far, yes, it's going above this, but we don't know, right? It's possible they come back down. So you better to trade the last 30 minutes of the trading hours, okay? So this is the update today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe it, you can click the link in the description. And please leave me the comment below also what kind of stock you want me to check. And I see you in the next video. Bye.